When installing Nichiha's architectural wall panels, your project may have an outside corner. This video will show you some tips on how to install our extruded metal outside corner correctly. Our extruded outside corner key is designed to create a 90-degree angle metal reveal on the corner, and Nichiha offers them in a variety of color options. With the starter flashing in place, you're ready to install the extruded metal outside corner. Unlike our manufactured corner, the extruded metal outside corner is applied and fastened directly to the wall before the starter track is installed. To begin, align the bottom of the metal corner piece 1/4 inch from the bottom of the starter flashing. This will help keep the bottom of the corner in line with the panels once they are installed. Firmly press the corner piece against the corner of your wall to ensure it's aligned plumb to the wall. Then fasten the extruded metal corner piece to the wall every 12 to 16 inches on alternate sides. Continue fastening until you've reached the top and the extruded corner is fully fastened to the wall. Next, install the starter track to the wall on both sides of the extruded metal corner. Note that you'll install the starter track so it's installed adjacent to the corner piece, not on top of it. For detailed instructions on how to correctly install the starter track, see our video titled Tips for Installing the Starter Track. With your starter track in place, make sure to cut the shiplap off the side of the panel anytime you're inserting a panel into the metal extruded corner so it will fit correctly. Clean the dust off from the panel and seal the cut edges to protect it from moisture intrusion. Place the bottom shiplap of the panel onto the starter track and slide it down fully into the extruded metal outside corner. Fasten an ultimate clip to the top of the panel so it's adjacent to the metal corner and not on top of it. Fasten the clip into each stud and continue installing panels as described in our video titled Tips for Installing Panels. One important installation requirement to note: if you are installing Nichiha's 1818 architectural panels and using our metal extruded outside corner key, you'll need to create an expansion joint within 2 to 12 feet of the corner. You'll create this using a double flange sealant backer. For detailed instructions how to create this expansion joint, see our video titled Creating an Expansion Joint Using a Double Flange Sealant Backer. For more information about Nichiha's architectural wall panels, visit nichiha.com.